we are making kids animated videos. So we're gonna start by adding some prompt. We're gonna paste a prompt here on ChatGPT. So here are the prompt for this for the story. This prompt goes by: come up with 10 engaging titles for children, stories that explore exciting themes like magical journeys, animals, adventures, the power of friendship, and fun ways to learn. Okay, so ChatGPT has given me 10 engaging a title for the stories, and then if you want more, you can create more. You can ask ChatGPT to give you more. So this is the another 10 that ChatGPT has given me. So I chose one, which as I asked ChatGPT to actually create the story about the title that I chose. And then I actually asked ChatGPT to also give me a complete story with voiceover and voiceover script for each scene. So this is what I've got. So I've got scene 1 up until scene 7. So the next thing, we need the prompt for the images and the videos. So these are the prompt. So we're gonna come here to copy one, and then we're gonna use a Meta AI so that we can able to get those images. Okay, then the next step is to just copy the prompt, and then we're gonna go to the Meta AI. So we are on Meta AI right now, so we're gonna just paste our prompt here, just paste it here, and then just click on this arrow, and then we'll just wait for some few seconds. It will pop out. All right, so we've got 4 images right now, which we need to animate them so that they can just have that emotion. So it's gonna animate 4 of them at once. So we're gonna just wait for some seconds. Here we are. We've got this wonderful video right now. So okay, so we can just go back to ChatGPT, then we copy the next prompt, then we go back to Meta AI, then we're gonna paste the prompt again on the same place, click on the arrow, so we wait a bit again. So we're gonna repeat the same process. We can just animate them, and then we also gonna download them all. Okay, then we can just download the 3 of them. This one I don't want, so I'm just gonna download the 3 of them. So next step now is to get the voice. So we're gonna go back to ChatGPT, and then we're gonna copy this voice over here, and then we're gonna go to 11 labs so that we can just get the voice. So we're gonna paste it here on the text to speech. So we're gonna paste it here, and then we generate this speech.
Welcome to Coral Cove.
So we're gonna go and paste all of the voiceovers from ChatGPT to text to speech, and then after you're done, you can just come here to download. Then the next step is to go to Canva. So when you're in Canva, just go to uploads, the voiceover. Let's just download these 3. So all of them are here, so we need to put them one by one so that we don't get confused. So we can just choose any of this. Let's just choose this one, and then you can just set video as background, and then you add another one, choose the video as background, set the video as a background, or we can just make sure that you make it fit well on the canvas. Okay, so we've got 4 images. Let me just delete one. We need only 4. We can have 4. So this is the next part, whereby we can just put it like that, or we can just edit as we can set it as a background. So let's just add another one. So this as a background. We can just okay. So the next thing that you need to do, make sure that you add the transition, so you can just choose the one that you find it better. So just do like that, or you can just come here, apply between all the pages if you want the same a transition. But if you want to change, you can just come here and then you change it. Maybe you want the color wipe or you want the flow, we can just do that. We can just, let's just change it. Okay, so we need the voiceover, so we're gonna come here to audio and then we're gonna just put it here. This is the first one, this is the first scene. As you can see, as you can see, the scene, it takes like 28 seconds. So we're gonna add, let's just add another page, so we can just go to videos again and then we can just select a different, let me just see which one I can add here. Let me add this one, set it as background, so just adjust it here. So this is the first scene, so let's just listen to it.
Welcome to Coral Cove, a magical underwater.
Okay, so the next thing that we can just do is to go to music at the back. So we're gonna go to a Pixabay, so to get some sound. So we're gonna just search ocean sound, or we can just search for a water sound. So we're gonna just listen to the first one. Okay, the one that you choose, you can just come here to download and then you will find it on your computer. Then we go back to Canva, then we go and search for that music so that we can upload it to our Canva. So let's just search for the music. So this is the water fountain, then we can just choose that one and then we're gonna bring it to Canva. So let's just add it here. So we're gonna add it here. All right, so we need to adjust the volume because I'm 100%, the volume is very high. So we're gonna just come here to volume and then we're gonna decrease it to maybe 10, let me just say 13, and then you can just leave it like that. Let's just listen to it, how it's combined.
Welcome to Coral Cove, a magical.
When you are done with your editing, then the next step is to come here to share, and then you download the complete video to be able to post it on your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna just leave you with the full video so that you can enjoy. So thank you so much. Up until next time.
This is where Captain Starfish, the bravest little starfish around, goes to school. And it's no ordinary school. It's the Underwater School of Wonders. Every day, Captain Starfish and his friends learn exciting new things about the ocean. But today, something amazing is about to happen. One morning, Professor Octavia arrived with a glowing pearl. This is the Pearl of Wonders, she said. It holds magical challenges that will test your teamwork and creativity. Who's ready to try? Captain Starfish raised his arm. Arm. 5 arms in the air. We're ready, Professor, he said, and all the students cheered. The first challenge took them to the jelly maze, a tricky path filled with glowing, wiggly jellyfish. How will we get through? Asked Shelley the turtle. Captain Starfish had an idea. If we all swim together in a straight line, we can gently guide the jellyfish aside. It worked. With teamwork, they made it to the other side. The next challenge brought them to a group of singing clowns. La la la! They sang so loudly no one could think. We need to make them stop to get the treasure chest, said Finley the dolphin. Captain Starfish thought quickly. Let's sing along, but softer. They'll copy us. They sang together, softer and softer, until the clams calmed down. The treasure chest opened, revealing a clue. The clue led them to the coral cavern, where a puzzle awaited. The answer is friendship, the clue said. Captain Starfish and his friends placed their school badges together on the puzzle, and whoosh! The door opened. Inside, they found the Pearl of Wonders glowing even brighter. Back at school, Professor Octavia smiled. You've done it. The Pearl of Wonders has shown you the greatest magic of all: teamwork, friendship, and believing in yourselves. Captain Starfish beamed with pride. And we did it together! The class cheered, ready for their next big adventure.